Welcome to Zubayaa training session. These sections we're going to be looking into how to view a report and how to view order for vendor. Now, this section is basically how to manage vendor report and a vendor order. Like if customer actually wanted to buy anything on a buy anything from any of the vendors on Zubayaa platform, you as an account manager, because that is your duty. How do you view this report? How do you view someone have ordered a product on this vendor's account? How do you see the order? And how do you check the report, the sales and the details? Okay, we are going to be going through that same process we've been using, because as an account manager, accessing the vendor account from our dashboard. So let's go to login. Okay, we are the login now. I hope you remember this section from our last two previous training. Now, all we need right here is our login details, the account manager login, the account manager pass. Now, that has been input here because I save it into my browser. So, I'm going to log in. Now, it brings me here. Remember, the last things we have to do was to come to here and copy the dashboard and go to our URL and paste it so that the browser can change and take us to the account manager dashboard. Okay, we are here right now. This is the account manager dashboard. We are going to go to the vendor menu and we are going to go to the vendors. The loading is quite slow. Anytime we experience this and we kind of hate to do anything, what we have to do was to come to our browser and click refresh for the site to reload the process and refresh the site so that we can have a quick access. It will quickly load the site back. It has taken us to the first. So what we have to do is to come back to the vendor again, and the site is going to load us into that vendor folder. Now we are at the vendors now. Now we are still going to be working on the same process, the same account, which is the demo. Now remember from our last training, I said we can switch from here to the vendor account. So, and what we did the other time was to click here and open into a new bar. So we are doing the same thing now. Open into a new bar, click it. So I'm going to wait for the page to load. Okay, the page has loaded. We are now into that vendor account, and this is how we know we are logging into the vendor account. And vendor account, we are seeing dashboard, product, order, setting. This is the vendor store. Okay, let's take a look at the vendor store. This is the URL the site actually generated for us when we are creating the account. Now this is the vendor store. Now because there is no product here, the product we uploaded from our previous training on how to upload a product for this vendor has not been approved, because the moment he had made approve this the product, it will started showing on the vendor account, and everybody that comes to the Zubayaa website can begin to see the product. This is the order, which is the sections we're taking now. If an order is placed on this vendor account, that is where we go. We have to come here, go to order. Now it will be here, as you can see, say no order found. I mean, there's no person has made an inquiry to buy anything from this vendor. Nobody has seen the product. Now if any consumer from anywhere all over Nigerians actually wanted to buy a product that they like on Zubayaa platform, and they go to purchase checkout, now it will be on this page. It will show on this page, and once we see on this page, the process will show and we can follow up from there. And the other sections we're taking here is the report, which is down here. Let's go to report section. Now the report sections show us how much the overview total of this vendor, sales by day, how often does he sell the product, understand, the sales, how much does he make per day, and top selling. What if this product has so many products? This section tell us the product that is selling fast, the product that is selling fast on the vendor is going to show here that people are buying mostly. So it make us as an account manager to know what to tell the vendor to start putting on their platform so that consumer can begin to buy quickly. And this is the top earning. uh, this section shows which of the product is giving the consumer, the vendor, a lot of, which of the product is he earning much from. You know, this vendor are going to have different products. Now this section tell us, uh okay, this is the product that this vendor is actually making a lot of money, and as an account manager, it make us and help us to encourage the vendor to keep putting or getting that kind of a product, so the consumer can actually be buying and be making and he can be making more money from Zubayaa platform. So that is the sections we are going to take here today: how to check order and how to view report for a vendor. Because you can view a report when you come in, you switch from your account dashboard and you come here. Understand, you have to come to order first. From the order, you can see if any product is being requested. If anybody wanted to buy a product on this vendor platform, this is where the log will be, and this is where you see the report. How much, how is it sales, what's the progress of this vendor, is it making money, which of the product are consumer buying, which of the vendor product are consumer making demanding order on. This is where we see it. Thank you for watching.